2019 Chevy Corvette ZR1 hits 60 miles per hour in just 2.85 seconds. The 2019 Chevy Corvette ZR1 is a car of superlatives. It's faster and more powerful than any other production Corvette ever to roll out of Bowling Green. It's the ultimate iteration of what Chevy's been building for 65 years. Thanks to CorvetteBlogger.com and Corvette production manager Harlan, we finally have the official figures. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.85 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour in 6 seconds and the quarter mile and 10.6 seconds at 134 miles per hour. For reference, the current Corvette Z06 hits 60 miles per hour in 2.85 seconds and does the quarter mile in 10.95 seconds. The ZR1 might only be incrementally quicker, but Chevy is taking one of the world's quickest cars even quicker. Grip and corner speed is where the car will really shine. On a set of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, the Z06 pulls 1.2 G on the skidpad and stops from 60 miles per hour in 99.6 feet. Expect something even more ridiculous with the ZR1. For further reference, the new $335,000 789 horsepower V12 powered Ferrari 812 Superfast hits 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds.